Alright guys, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. IANN DIOR is back again here. Gordon Guitar, Kill You Slowly. It's a very uplifting song, despite from the title there. So we're gonna look at this one. No need for any capo. Let's take a look at the grips and chords. So we're gonna start here with the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord is the D-F chord, what I call that. It's basically a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So you can keep the last two fingers down there, the ring finger on the third fret B and little pinky on the third E string. You just switch your index and mid finger to this position. So that will be the second E string. Then open A or muted A. If you go muted, then you just lean this finger, this index finger on top of the A, and that gets muted like that. And then open D and second G. And like I said, the last third B and third A is still there. So G to D, F. Then we have the C chord. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the standard D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we also have the A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna look at the transition here between the first two chords, because we have this strumming pattern that pretty much is almost exactly the same. Not really, it's the rhythm that is slightly different there between the two chords. So we're gonna take a look at G to D, F. That's the first two chords in the verse. So this goes all right. So the G part 1 will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, and then clap, up, down, up. That's the first part. And then you do a pause, and that pause is pretty much to take away the first down into the strumming for the next chord. So you do the down, up, clap, up, down, up on G, and then you switch chord to D, F. Make a short pause that chumps off the first down, so you go up, up instead. So not down, up like you started in the G, so just up, and then you continue the same way, clap, up, up. So G, down, up, clap, up, up, pause, and then up, clap, up, up. So that is how the strumming and rhythm goes. So that is one round. And a couple of rounds goes. And that is actually the start of the verse here. You're gonna play 3 rounds of G and D, F, alternating like that. And then after 3 rounds, you're gonna go to C and play 1 full round, which means down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So both part 1 and part 2. So the C will be. And all these 4 rounds, so to speak, G to D, F, 3 rounds, and C on the 4th. That will be 1 chord progression round, and you will play that for 2 full rounds. So 1 full round goes like this. And second round, and so on. That is the verse play. And you're gonna play in the same way for both verses. But in between comes the choruses. And the chorus, you're gonna play G, part 1, the down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you go to the standard D and play up, clap, up, down, up. And then you're gonna go to A minor 7 and play 1 full round. Part 1 and part 2, down, up, clap, up, clap, up, down, up. G, D, and A minor, that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So a couple of rounds goes. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, like I said, verse, chorus, and after the second chorus comes a chorus play. Why? Because that is an outro. You're gonna just continue with the chorus for another 4 rounds, and that's it, my friends, for IANN DIOR's Kill You Slowly. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, if it was helpful here in this tutorial, please feel free to support me here. Hit this like on this tutorial, and hope to see you here very soon again. Until next time, play tuned.